Daon na mabasto.
Guys, ang ganda dito. Maganda dito mag-date. Ayan, oh. Ganda. May mga ano sila, oh. Bank of the Philippine Island. Napakaganda ng ano dito, oh. Ayan, oh. Engrave. Ganda. Made of bamboo. Wood. Sorry. Galing. Ayan, oh, puro ano sila lahat, oh. So, it's very cozy place. Super ganda. Ayan, guys, oh. Valentine's Day nila, oh. So cute. Nice, guys. Upo-upo ka dito. Ayan. It's very, ano. Gulat ako. Ayan, guys. Nagde-date ako. Very amazing place. It's very cozy. Yan. Dito kami nagde-date. With matching sounds pa yan, oh. Hulaan nyo, guys, sinong ka-date ko. Ang ganda ng ambience dito. Napakatahimik. And yung ano nila, rock stone. Made of stone yung wall nila and made of wood. So, super ganda talaga. Look at the ceiling. Made of wood. Wow, so nice. Ganda. In its very cozy place. Ano yan, guys? Oh. Wow. Look at that, guys. Nandito ako sa very romantic place. Ayan. Oh, may tugtog pa. Wow. Ayan, ganda.